What happens usually is that you give a limit to the child, and the child has an aim to complete one chapter or one subject in certain hours. For example, I have to complete chapter 4 in 3 hours, or I have to complete this whole chapter in the next 2 hours along with its worksheets. So what is happening here is your child is working against time. It's the subject that they have and the time that they have. So they're working against each other. The attention span of a child, that is just 25 minutes. Yes, the proper attention span of any human being where they can fully attend to something is 25 minutes. So with this technique, we divide the time into small chunks of 25 minutes. Now that means that if you're going to study for the next 3 hours or 4 hours, you're going to take 25 minutes at a stretch, study for that time, keep away all distractions, keep away your phone, do not disturb your child much, let them be with their books, but just for 25 minutes.